Hey friends, so I wanted to show you how I go about building a cold email strategy for a B2B software business or SaaS, like whatever you want to call it, because we've been getting a bunch of requests, interest, leads from software businesses. We worked with a bunch of software businesses. For example, we have our client AirPay, got them like 120 qualified opportunities in the last 60 days only. This is up to date. Logistics software company, we booked them 230 book demos in 10 months. And this is all using cold email. By the way, if you want to see these case studies and how our main offer works, where we just do all of this for you, and you only pay us per book call, just take the first thing in the description. We also teach a bunch of people in our school community in software about how to do cold email for themselves in case they don't want to do, like, have us do it for them. They just want to learn it. They learn how to do cold email properly, how to do appointment setting. They get access to our internal software as well to basically do appointment setting. We have a weekly live call for consulting and much more stuff. That's the second link in the description. But anyway, in this video, I wanted to cover some offers you can run, right? And I'll explain what I mean, because the offer is not your product or a discount. It's an offer, right? The cold email scripts to input that offer into, how to record demo videos, because that's what we'll be using for our cold email strategy. But you need to do this right, not just, a basic video, and a bonus on how to get a free lead source at the end of the video. Because this is what we recently found, and it's working pretty well, and it's basically free. It's very cheap. So let me just straight up go into this with offers you can run. Now, I want to make something clear that I do in every video, basically. Let's say this is your market, right? Market, okay? And on one spectrum, you have like cold and you have warm, right? Let me write this down. You have cold and you have warm here, right? And this is your entire market. And the thing you want to do with an offer with cold email, the name already suggested, is you are selling to cold traffic, all right? You're selling in this segment right here, the coldest of cold. Now, why is this beneficial? Because if you have a cold email offer that converts people into paying customers who actually pay you, get results, and stay, which is what you want for software, right? Like you want high retention. If you do this in a cold environment and you manage to convert these people who've never heard of you before and they don't know who you are and they don't trust you, then you can apply that same offer to warm traffic as well and to everyone in between, and it's going to work even better. If you have a warm traffic offer, which is basically just like blasting people with features and your brand doing all the work and people still buy because they already know you, it's like you're selling to friends, right? This offer won't be as good, and you can only sell this to warm traffic. You can't sell it to the rest of the market because your conversion rates will go lower the more left you go. Whereas cold traffic, it will just go higher, more right you go, but you can still sell it to your entire market. And that's why we want to do this, all right? And for to make this clear, an offer is not a discount. It's not your product. They're not features. They're not anything. An offer is simply there to get people on sales calls, all right? So you advertise something to get people on sales calls. And then on the sales call or demo, you ask them what their problem is, what they've tried, and then you honestly give them the best solution for them. If that best solution happens to be the offer you advertised, that's fine. If it's another solution that's not the offer you advertised, that's also fine. You're not doing anything wrong. You're simply giving the people the best thing for themselves, which means they have the highest likelihood to actually succeed. Whether that's more expensive or cheaper than the main offer you advertise doesn't really matter, all right? But you need to make an extremely attractive offer to get people on the call in the first place, because otherwise you can't help them. So you're helping people help themselves, all right? That's essentially what we're doing here. So that's what an offer is, fundamentally, right? And ideally, your offer, or ideally you're selling something that people are already buying, right? Whether that's in the form like in the form of a software, like you're doing it, or a service, or a course, or info, whatever, right? If people have this problem that you're solving and people are buying solutions for that problem, you have a good product, right? Assuming you actually deliver results. That I can't help you with. But if you have that, you just need to make your offer fast, easy, and risk-free, all right? the more of these you have, the more cold traffic you will actually attract. So if you can offer, especially the risk-free part, that's what I'm going to go into, because this is very good for software. All right. So software offers. So risk-free just equals guarantee / pay on results / usage-based. All right. That's essentially it. And this is all you really have in software. So one of the best offers you can run is a free trial, because there's zero risk. Ideally, it's easy to sign up to and onboard, and it's also fast, right? So if you have a process on your website where people can create a free trial account immediately without talking to a sales rep, without giving you like all their info that they have and where they live and their DNA samples or something, just like one email with a name, and then they can create their free account, and you maybe have AI onboard them properly based on as little information as possible, so they can use the software immediately. It's easy to set up because they don't really have to set up anything, and it's risk-free because it's literally a free trial. If you offer free trials on cold email, it will absolutely crush. All right. Same thing as with free demo videos that are personalized. You can offer these in the cold email. Those are one of the best performing email scripts that we've used. Or you can just say, if you don't get X result in Y time frame, you'll get a full refund. No questions asked. You can, like, usage-based is obvious, and pay on the results is also obvious, right? Because they literally don't pay until they get results, or they just pay for what they use, which is pretty obvious how that works. Okay? And so this is how an offer could look like. If you don't have a free trial, try to make one, because it's going to help you a lot. If you for some reason don't want a free trial, or your software has to have like an onboarding team because it's like difficult to set up, then just make free demo videos. All right? Either way, we're going to take one of these offers. All right? Just pick one, and we're going to take these and we're going to input them into a cold email script. All right? And now we've sent over 20 million cold emails over the last like 4.5 years, done hundreds of thousands of cold calls. We've put thousands of meetings with like small businesses up to like big companies, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, McKinsey, Red Bull, Salesforce, all these hard to reach companies. And so it all works the same, right? Everyone tends to overcomplicate this stuff, but it's really not. So what works best is a one-line cold email. But what does that mean? That simply means, you might have guessed it, that we send an email that's literally one line, maybe two. I'll get into that in a sec. So you say, hey John, hey first name, hey whatever, right? If we got you outcome of working with us and you could try it for free, would you be open to it? Or would you be, to make it even more straightforward, interested? All right, so you actually convert these people. This is it. I know you expected something very fancy, but it doesn't have to be. This is a one-line email. Now, the outcome of working with you is literally the outcome of the offer. All right? What do you get them? What's the dream outcome that people get when they implement your stuff? I'm not talking about features. What's the outcome? All right? Let's say they implement your stuff and they use it correctly and they keep using it. What problem is solved? What's the outcome of that? You can also flip this into problem line, which can be like, if we solved problem XYZ and you could try it for free, would you be interested? And then if you want to add something, you can say, PS, recently did this for client XYZ and got the result. Done. So you pick one of these and then you literally insert it here. Now this is for a free trial. What could we do for a demo video? Well, you say, let's switch it up a bit. If we solved problem XYZ in just time frame, so you can get outcome, would you want a quick video explaining how? Boom. And then you can leave the social proof in there if you want. And now if they actually respond, you say, awesome, here's the video. You hyperlink the video that you make for them. And then you say, feel free to schedule. And then you say, feel free to schedule a couple of minutes using this link, and you hyperlink like your calendar link. So I can set it up for you. Thanks. Very simple. And ideally, you do this part right here. As soon as you get a positive response, under 5 minutes. And we do this because the booking rates under 5 minutes are just 4 times higher than if you wait like an hour or a day longer. All right, this is why we do that. Keep it very simple. All right, if it's for free trial, you can literally send them a link to activate their free trial. No need for a sales call because that's easy and fast. And now if you use these emails, you're going to get results, right? Guaranteed. Because this is the main secret. People overcomplicate cold email so much. It's actually crazy. Now let's go to recording the demo video. So your demo video, which you can also put on your website as a VSL, by the way, which just means video sales letter, it's structured into very simple parts. So first of all, show them the most important thing first. Then you show social proof, more social proof. Then you say, if that's enough for you already, book a call. If not, here's more. Explain 3 to 4 more problems you solve in depth. And then CTA again, which is book a call. Right? This is the whole demo video structure that you're going to do. Now I've made this exact script here and a in-depth video on how to actually record this for software, where you can literally just insert the stuff with the preparation steps. It's like 2-3 pages long. If you want this, it's the 3rd link in the description. All I need is your email so I can send you this thing. And like it takes 10 seconds, you can actually get the full script of this thing, so you know how to do high converting VSLs for software. And you can put them on your website too, because guess what? If it works for cold traffic, it's going to work for all your inbound traffic as well. And now talking about inbound traffic, right? A bonus on free leads that you can combine with your cold email strategy is you're going to set up a software called RB2V. All right? You can just Google this, or I'll put the link for you to sign up in the description as well. And so RB2B tracks your website visitors. All right. So what you're going to get is Slack messages that say who visited your website. And what you're going to do is as soon as someone visits your website, you're going to score or let's say research/filter for ICP fit, right? Because you don't want to be emailing people who don't even match what you're selling, which means you need to define what industry and stuff your ICP, ideal customer, is in. And then you have like AI or just build an N8N automation. This is very simple. You can just ask Claude to do this for you. Like literally just say, hey, I have RB2B. I need you to filter them for my ICP every time someone comes in. Here's my criteria. How do I do this? It's going to give you all the steps. This is really easy. You can figure this out. But as soon as they are like verified and the email actually exists, which you're going to use a tool like Million Verifier to actually verify the email. If the email comes back as okay, which means it actually exists, you're going to send them an email that looks something like this. Hey, John, it's Leon from LeadArc. You can obviously input your stuff here. One of the co-founders, you can also say this. Let me correct this. Leon, one of the co-founders at LeadArc. And then, so you say, saw you visited our page about getting you result/outcome. You literally just input what you do here. All right. For us, it's getting you more sales calls. For you, it might be something different, right? Whatever you do here. What's the main thing you're looking for? Question mark, which is an open-ended question. And you say, by the way, I read every reply because people know this is automated and you want to give them an incentive to actually do this because this feels like they're taken care of, which they are, because you should read every reply because those are leads. And you say, best Leon. That's literally it. All right. You can even give them your LinkedIn profile under here so they can connect with you, and it makes you more human. But this is the core part. All right. And you're going to send them this basically immediately. You don't need to hide the fact that it's automated because everyone will know that it's automated. But that's why you say, by the way, I read every reply. So they know, okay, this is still landing with a human. It's not just a marketing campaign. All right. So this is what you do. And if you like give this to Claude or any AI and you just connect your RB2B, then it will make this for you, automated. And this is a whole new source of leads that you can now email, which are warm, and you can email them with your cold traffic offer, which means you're going to make a bunch of money on those, right? This is free. Like RB2B costs like, what, $50 a month to actually give you all the stuff. So that's insane, right? If you, by the way, if you want help with this or any help with this whole outbound stuff, just join the school community. We literally are active every day. We respond with custom videos every single day that are made specifically for your question. And also, like I said, weekly consulting calls where we go through the stuff. So if you need any help with this, or you want more specific campaigns for your product, and we also have an AI copywriter in there that can help you with coming up with way more scripts for you specifically. That's also trained on all of our winning stuff. Then you can get all of that in the school community. So again, if you want us to run all of this just for you, you don't want to deal with it, we will set up the RB2B thing, by the way. And also, it's all on this page. You get sales demos booked on your calendar. You pay us per book demo. We clearly define the qualification criteria. You get handoff notes for your ease. So we actually book the meetings for you as well. You don't need to worry about anything. We can start within 24 hours. We have trained SDRs who are going to be trained on your product. No long-term contracts. And if people don't show up, we reschedule them as well. Again, every information you need is on this page. This is the first link. If you just want to learn this for yourself, click on the second link. And if you want this blueprint here for your outbound demo and you don't really care about the rest, then just click the third link and get it for free. Doesn't really cost anything. But yeah, if you like and enjoy this video, then leave a like and subscribe so I know I can make more of these. And yeah, let me know what industry you're in the comments so I can make more specific videos about what you're selling, not just these generalized ones. But yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.